How to curl your hair with a curling tong. We're going to start by prepping the hair with some heat protection spray and allowing that to dry. You want to use around 2-inch sections of hair, and here you can see the clamp, which is the silver part of this curling tong, is facing the mirror. We're going to insert that hair around 2 to 3 inches away from the scalp and very gently pull down before wrapping that hair around the barrel of the tong. Releasing the clamp very so gently so you can move the hair down once again before wrapping back around the tong towards the roots. Release the clamp, pull down, wrap again, and continue this process until you've left around 1 inch at the ends. When you've left that amount of hair, we're going to wrap all the way up to the roots and leave it there for a few seconds before releasing the clamp once again and allowing that curl to drop. So I'll show you again just here. So the hair has been inserted into the clamp with the clamp facing the mirror, and then I'm gently releasing the clamp so I can pull down gently on that hair before wrapping it up around the barrel, releasing the clamp, pulling down, wrapping around the barrel, and continuing that process. And then continue that process. So insert the hair, release the clamp gently so you can pull down like I'm doing now, and then you're going to twist that hair around the barrel before releasing the clamp again very gently to allow you to pull away a little bit more. So each time you're curling more and more hair. When you've left around 2 inches at the very ends, then you're going to curl all of that hair around the barrel and leave for a couple of seconds until all of that hair is warm before releasing the clamp once again and allowing that curl to form. So this time I'm curling away from the opposite side of the face. So the clamp would face the mirror on the left hand side, but the process is exactly the same. This can take quite a lot of getting used to. Sometimes you'll find that you can curl one side better than the other, and that's normally down to whether you're left or right-handed. But just persevere, because practice really does make perfect when trying to use a curling tong to curl the hair. So just here you can see I've gone in, clamped the tool and pulled down ever so gently before wrapping that hair around my barrel. Releasing the clamp ever so lightly to allow myself to pull away from the hair again before wrapping the hair around the barrel, and continuing this process.